Over the past few weeks, we've learned how JCPenney is making clothes for big guys. Now the collection is out in stores, so I'm back here in Dallas with my buddies, Stoney and Jude, to help them find some looks that they're gonna love. We're gonna pair them up with designers Tiffany and Ruth from Foundry to help them get looks that are customized and perfect for them.
What is kind of your style?
Really, most things that I do are based on function more than anything.
Yeah.
I'm on my feet most of the day, so I'm usually pretty plain bottoms. I do plaid tops with just graphic tees, work tees, whatever underneath. So pretty functional, but also kind of, I try to not look terrible, I guess is the big thing of it. I want functional, but I don't want to look like, you know, just dressed up dad all the time. Okay,
so do you usually shop in this kind of environment, or?
You know, if I can, I do, but really I shop mostly online because places usually don't have the exact fits I'm looking for, and it's kind of like a weird anxiety experience to take a bunch of clothes and go into the fitting room and do that whole thing, and I end up sweaty at the end and I don't know what to do with the clothes. So most of the time I end up doing online. I like going to stores, but it usually doesn't work for me.
Okay, yeah, well, we're not gonna have that experience today.
Good
We're
deal.
gonna find something for you. So I'm gonna walk you over here.
Alrighty.
This is our urban area. So in the Foundry, we have urban, we have more of like a younger customer, so more young men's, we have traditional, and we have active. And this is really streetwear inspired. It's very young, fresh now. So graphic tees, is graphic tees something that you tend to wear, or?
Yeah, I usually have to do them layered up though, because you know, being a bigger guy, only a t-shirt's kind of terrifying. So I try to put something on top of it there.
So you mentioned layered up. So what about something like this?
Oh yeah, I could definitely do with that. I really like that on top there. The print on that. Yeah, I could definitely do something like that.
Yeah, for sure. And it's not dad style.
No, absolutely.
Is comfort a big thing for you?
Absolutely. That's like probably one of the biggest.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're definitely not trying to do like the whole sweat look, but what do you think about something like a track jacket? And for this, I don't know if this is pushing you out of your comfort zone a little bit, but we really love this tee for this season as something like really new and updated.
Okay, yeah, definitely. I'll try it out.
Okay. And then bottoms wise?
Bottoms, I'm usually pretty plain. If I can find the fit of them, I really just like dark or, you know, khaki based, kind of like duck canvas type stuff is what I usually go with.
Okay. We have this moto denim that's kind of new and updated.
Okay.
We also have just kind of a fade with the stitching on there. So maybe we try one.
Absolutely.
Which one do you think?
I would probably be more comfortable with these ones here.
Yeah, for sure.
With the moto pants.
Okay. Yeah, we can go with these then. You want to go to the dressing room and
let's try
some stuff on?
Absolutely.
All right.
Yeah, I think everything fit pretty good.
Great. Well, while you're in there, got a hat for you. Match the outfit.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Great, I can hold that for you.
Good deal. Yeah, fits nice.
Yeah, so what do you think? Like, let's start with the tee. What do you think?
I really like it's a really thin, it would be really nice, you know, kind of transitional weather there. I really like that, and I really like the outer shirt a lot.
Yeah. Just
kind of the layered look. It's like in my style, but comfortable and different, you know?
Now on the tee, you mentioned you have issues a lot of times with them being too clingy, too tight. What do you think?
Well, I mean, yeah, because this has way more room on the top, because a lot of shirts, when they're cut like that, it's really tight up here and then opens up for the belly, but like, it's there, but it's not super snug at any point. I really like the cut of it. Yeah. And then just layered on top of that, it's really nice.
Great. Yeah, this looks great on you. Well, do you want to try on the other top?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm excited about that one.
Okay, outfit number 2. What are you thinking?
I really like this one. It's really like the green stuff. Things I normally do. I like the jacket. I like the piping and the way it fits together.
That's great.
Kind of the, you know, the same thing. Comfort, layers. I really enjoy that.
Yeah, and how about the detail on this shirt? What are you thinking there with the camo and the taping?
It's out of my comfort zone, but I like it.
Right.
It's
maybe
just
work
something
into
different.
it. Yeah.
Absolutely, it's a step in the right direction there. But you know, I like the way it feels, and you know, like the other ones, it's got a really nice cut to it too, and that makes me feel comfortable and not as self-conscious about it. I'm
glad that we found something that's a little out of your comfort zone, because that's kind of what we're going for, is to give the big and tall market what they want. So what are you thinking? Outfit 1, 2, both?
Man, I really like both of them, and I kind of feel like I could mix either one of them with it, so they kind of work with each other, and I really like both of them.
I'm glad we could meet up and do the shopping today.
Absolutely, yeah, it was great.
So tell me something about your style.
You know, I kind of like to combine things like traditional and non-traditional at the same time. I have a physically non-traditional look, I think, so I usually like lean a little more toward like a traditional clothing with some pizzazz.
So I think that something like this would be super cool for you. Love the tie-dye effect, the burgundy color.
Yeah, that's very cool.
This is just a traditional Henley with 3 buttons.
I like this like...
a little bit of distressing.
Yeah.
So that's when you get your little eclectic vibe in there. So let's go ahead and grab that and we can try that out. So this is a very traditional flannel, and red is like not gonna go anywhere. Like this red plaid is like you're in. Let's go over here. The one thing, so I think mixing this heritage flannel along with this tee would be really, really cool and fun. You can wear this over the tee, or you can even wrap this around your waist to give it kind of that like festival type of styling.
Yeah, just super cash.
Yeah.
Man, I think you really just nailed it. You like read me.
I read you. So let's see if we can get you into something that feels eclectic. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Awesome.
Awesome, I like. Very cool, Jude.
This is dope.
Yeah.
I love the distress and like, it's very dope.
Yeah, so is this something that you would wear?
Oh, 100%. I love this like long sleeve, like kind of acid washy tie-dye is like my vibe right now. It's awesome. And it's cool to be able to like find it in a shirt that fits me.
Awesome.
And it fits my shoulders and my belly all at the same time. And like, I don't know if you noticed, but I have what's called gynecomastia. It's basically man boobs is what they call them.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so this is like perfect for fitting that. Like it doesn't feel like super tight on my chest and baggy everywhere else. It's very dope.
But let's go ahead and get you in that second outfit to see how it looks.
Awesome.
Nice. So I really love this traditional plaid flannel here on you, but I really love it paired back to the graphic tee.
Yeah.
I know you like graphic tees because they have like a little bit of an expression, but that paired back to that jean with the distressing is really sweet.
Yeah, it's a solid look like all the way around. I also like that it's comfortable but not baggy, if that makes sense. Like you usually kind of have to choose one or the other. And that's like, it's killer, like wearing these and feeling like I'm wearing clothes already. I don't have to like put them on and stretch my shirt out before I walk out the door or something. It's awesome.
Well, awesome, Jude. I'm so excited that you got to find some stuff that looks really cool on you.
Me too. This was great.
So now you've seen how JCPenney's Foundry line is creating clothing with bigger bodies in mind. Be sure to subscribe below so that you can see all of our future videos and you never miss a moment.